The wheel, yes, yes. All right, fantastic, very good, very good. Go, 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 go. Bravely, bravely, yes. Okay, that's perfect. That is perfect. Now you have to straighten the wheel. That's right. You don't have to go close to the car. You have enough space. Yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect parking, people. It is amazing. Jožik did it again. All right. Look what famous Jožik did. She gave me this coffee napkin. All right, famous Jožik. So now what we do? Okay, we go drive more. Good car, good car. Good car.
Did you clean your car? It looks much cleaner.
No, it was the rain cleaned it.
Oh, okay.
It was rainy yesterday, so the rain did the auto wash. The car was like very dusty yesterday, but the rain helped me. All right.
I think I want to stop next to Starbucks.
All right, we can do that. We can do that. We are 10 minutes driving. Okay, let's speed up. Let's do some speed now. Here you're gonna learn how to speed up fast and to slow down.
Right here we cannot really speed up. It's in the residential area.
Yeah, but you know we have to do that. I mean.
Yeah, because we don't really have space here to exercise.
That is correct.
The only time we can exercise is when
Maybe
go
we can
upstate.
maybe we can take the other car because the other car has better brakes. This one, the brakes are very soft.
Okay, I think I can park here.
Yeah, you can park. You can do parallel parking.
They are already signaled. So it's gonna be misleading for the driver that is behind me.
There's no drivers behind. Okay,
There
there is
was
one.
a driver behind me.
All right, famous Jožik. Famous Jožik is very straightforward and conservative.
Maybe I should go closer to that car.
That is correct. You will
Let
go
this
to the
person
next.
pass.
All right, go. Go, famous Jožik. All right, that's it, and that would be the end of the video. So now famous Jožik will go for coffee, and we'll continue with lesson number 3 or 2.
Do you want something from Starbucks?
Oh no. Or yeah, why not something like this eating stuff?
What?
Something to eat. I don't know what they have. These little eaters.
Sweet?
No, like these little breakfasts. All right, famous Jožik is leaving now. Famous Jožik is very stylish today, very fashionable. Famous Jožik is all brownish, reddish kind of tonality. Let's see famous Jožik over there. You see famous Jožik is kind of one tone. All right, that's it, people. Driving lessons number whatever.